Have you ever looked at a product for your farm or garden and just wondered what's really inside? Well, today, we're going to do something cool. We're taking a single technical spec sheet and turning it into a practical guide. We are going to unlock the science behind a powerhouse soil enhancer called Potassium Humate. Let's get into it. So you see a bag of fertilizer, right? It's promising all these amazing results, but how can you actually be sure what you're getting? How do you know the ingredients inside are the real deal, the ones that are going to work wonders for your crops?
Well, that's exactly our mission for this explainer. We're taking a real-world technical sheet for Potassium Humate, and we are going to translate all that dense scientific data into practical knowledge that you can actually use.
Our journey starts right here, by decoding the certificate. This is where we turn all those confusing numbers and industry terms into a clear story about what this product is, and, more importantly, what it does for your soil. The document we're looking at is called a Certificate of Analysis. The easiest way to think of it is like an official report card for the product. It's a formal guarantee from the manufacturer that what's inside the bag truly matches what's on the label. For us, this is our source of truth.
And this isn't some hypothetical example either. We're looking at data from a very specific batch, number 2025-0216. That means these numbers are the real deal, pulled from an actual quality control test. So, what did they find?
Okay, now let's get to the core of it all. Inside this product, you'll find what I like to call the Power Trio. These are the three main ingredients that do all the heavy lifting for improving your soil and boosting your plant growth. First up, we've got humic acid, at a concentration of at least 55%. So what does it do? Think of it as the structural engineer for your soil. If you're dealing with heavy clay that's tough to work with, or maybe sandy soil that just doesn't hold water, this is your fix. It improves the soil's physical structure, helps it hold on to water, and prevents nutrient runoff. It literally builds a better home for your plant roots. Next in the trio is fulvic acid, at a minimum of 50%. Now, if humic acid is the soil's engineer, fulvic acid is its nutrient superhighway. Its molecules are much smaller, which allows them to bind to essential minerals and transport them directly into the plant cells. This just makes nutrients way more available for the plant to absorb. And the final member of our trio, potassium oxide, guaranteed at 12% or more. Potassium is a vital macronutrient for plants. I mean, it's crucial for pretty much everything, from photosynthesis to strengthening the plant against stresses like drought, disease, and pests. You can just think of it as the all-around health booster.
When you look at this summary, you can really see how it all comes together. The Power Trio provides all those direct benefits, and the certificate also guarantees over 80% organic matter, which is fantastic for soil life. That alkaline pH of 9 to 10 can also help balance out acidic soils. Every single one of these specs points to a high-quality, multifunctional product.
Okay, so that's all the science on paper. But how does this stuff actually translate from the lab to your field or your garden? How do you apply all this power to your soil? Now, our certificate listed the appearance as black flakes, but that's not the only option. The same powerful formula comes in three really versatile forms. You've got the flakes, a fine powder that dissolves super quickly, and granules for a slower release or for dry spreading. This versatility is absolutely key for all the different needs in farming and gardening. But here's what might be the most important practical detail on the entire sheet. It says it's completely water-soluble. This is a huge deal. It means you can easily dissolve it in water and apply it right through your irrigation system, a process called fertigation. This ensures a really even and efficient distribution of nutrients, getting them directly to the plant's roots.
So let's bring it all together now. We've decoded the numbers, we've seen the practical applications. But why does understanding a spec sheet like this really matter in the big picture?
Because every single number on that certificate translates directly into a real-world benefit. We're talking better soil structure, more efficient nutrient uptake, healthier plants, and ultimately, bigger yields. It's high in organic matter for long-term soil health, and it's designed to be easy to use. This is exactly why the specs matter. And for full transparency, the data we've been looking at comes from a certificate of analysis provided and certified by Handi Technology Co., Ltd. They're the company that stands behind these quality standards. So, we'll leave you with a final question to chew on. As we're all searching for ways to improve crop yields while also protecting our soil, is the future in products like this one, where organic inputs are verified by hard science and precise quality control? It definitely gives us a lot to think about. Thanks for joining us for this explainer.